So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's create the data stream, that is module 2 part 2, and launch the playground. So first of all, if you're new to this channel and haven't checked the playlist for the Salesforce Developer Edition quest, check the playlist in the description. Now here a lot of you guys are facing issue on creating this data stream. So first of all, what you need to do, you can see these are the things which you have to complete in this particular module, and then we'll be able to complete this module. So let's start, and finally we have to open the data cloud, and then only we'll be able to add some CRM and data. So first of all, click on the this menu icon, like basically it's app launcher. Click on the data cloud, and from here click on the data stream. Remove this is unwanted. Now from data stream, what you need to do is you have to just click on new, and from here you have to select the Salesforce CRM as connected source, and other connectors are also there. You have to just check the Salesforce one. So as you can see here, multiple Salesforce are there. We have to just check the Salesforce. This one we have to check. Let me show you once again. On the Salesforce, just type on the search box, and then you have to just click over it, and no need to worry about it. Just click on next, and from here we have to just select the sales. So just select the sales like this, click on next. Now it will take some time, so wait for it. Meanwhile, if you haven't liked the video, like it and subscribe the channel. Scroll down and click on next. Again, click on next and just click on deploy. It will take 4 to 5 minutes, sometimes even less or more, so just wait for it to get completed. And if you face any error, like basic error like connection disconnected, etc., you have to just click on deploy again. Let me show you what kind of error I am getting. Once it's deployed, we have to just add a formula and test it. So it's taking a bit, so just wait. So as you can see, we got the error as my internet was disconnected. So just click on deploy button again and it will be deployed. So it's currently deploying stage. No, I think it will be deployed now. So finally it has been deployed. Now what we have to do, we have to just create a formula field in the lead home section. So what you have to do, just open it like this, wait for a few more seconds, and as you can see here, new formula field is there. Click over it. Once you have clicked on the new formula field, here you have to type the value label. So just type it is US based. Now paste over here. Now the API level name has been auto filled. So just cross verify the name. Is it same? Yes, it's same. Now copy the formula and it will be in textual format. So just select text, enter the formula. Now here we have to test it for two countries. One is Japan and another is USA. So just copy the name here and click on test. Similarly for the USA, it should be capital letter, test, and it's done. Now just click on save. Now you will try to check the point. You will get the point without any issue if you follow the way I have done. And if you haven't checked the playlist and wants to earn more Salesforce swags, you can check the description of the video. If you want to participate in the Google Cloud Arcade, you can too check it out and earn exciting Google goodies. So thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Let's meet in module 3.